citizens leader at NACHAMISA on Friday paid heartfelt tribute to the late Spencer Ndemera, a former security aide to late MDC President Tsvangirai, who was brutally murdered last week in Harare. Sanabeda mashoko ataona kuti NACHAMISA panguva ino voya vachiti the people power yopa mutungamiri wenyika our sleepless nights. Lord was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timna no more blanyo kamchenze. Citizens leader at NACHAMISA on Friday. Speaking at Ndemera's funeral in Glenville South, CHAMISA described the slain activist as a dedicated servant of the people and a steadfast contributor to Zimbabwe's democratic struggle. In quotes, Spencer was a true hero of the people's struggle, CHAMISA said. We worked with him since the days of President Tsvangirai. He was loyal, disciplined, and committed to the cause of freedom. CHAMISA used the solemn occasion to reflect on the current state of the nation, expressing concern over the worsening economic conditions under President mnangagwa's leadership. He criticized the government's failure to address the country's depending crisis and accused the regime of fearing popular resistance. In quotes, naye wamunofunga kuti akati remedza naye akatoremerwawo, he said. Ukanomubvunza kuti akakuremera ndiani, anogona kuti ndakaremerwa neMkomana. CHAMISA went on, of course, we all know that we are grappling with a deepening economic crisis. That is our main challenge. You all know who is behind the crisis. Ndemera was also a local entrepreneur and community caretaker, was found dead in Glenville, Harare, following an alleged assault by tenants. His murder has sparked outrage and calls for justice from across the political spectrum and the wider community. Thomas Kwanguda panguwa ino chonoka kunzi aiwa panguwa ino NACHAMISA anachideclare kuti mutungamiri wenyika akatoremerwawo. Aiwa, yes, our economy is struggling, but iye anoonekwa kunzi is also struggling nekuda kwe the people power, noda kuti anoziva kuti vanhu they do not like him, but he's just forcing things. Anyatsoziva kuti vanhu vanoda ani. Tudze mafunguro eimwe tudi pamusoro pechitwe chimira comment section medu, musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.